Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add categories to your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, what categories are? They're basically an attribute of all your products, which will enable your users or your customers to search more easily for certain products on your site. And you can add them very easily just by editing different products, and you can add categories through editing the product. If you go to products and services, you might be able to even create categories through the menu. However, I'm not very sure how to do that. I just know that if I create product, I will be able to add categories to it. Now, if I click add product, I'll select, for example, physical, and it's going to open up the product editing page. I'm just going to create a test product with a test name and description. I'm not going to add an image. The price I'll set to 10, and I'll just keep it at unlimited stock. Now, if we go down to organization, as you can see categories right over here, and you can create categories to sort products in different categories, and they'll appear in the store's navigation once your customers select them. Now, if we click on the plus, as you can see, currently I don't have categories, so I'll add a test category. And as you can see, if I select a category that doesn't exist, it'll give me this add button right over here. And if I click add, it's going to create that new category. Now, if I check this off and then save this product, or rather publish it immediately, it's going to show as a test, group within this. Now, if I preview this, it should show me that it is a test product somewhere here. And the category is not available there, so I'll just go ahead and show you in the editing tab again. If we click on the three dots and click edit, scroll down, as you'll see under categories, it should still keep the test tag, and that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.